What's up everyone, today we're going to build a budget PC old style. To begin, I built so many gaming PCs like this one, but not everyone are gamers. And maybe you're building this PC for your parents, for your grandfather or your uncle, someone who don't need a gaming PC. Therefore in this video I decided to make a powerful PC but in old style, so stay tuned. So for this PC build I decided to get the Thermaltake V100 mid-tower PC case and also EVGA 850 BQ, which is more than enough for a person who's only doing daily work with their PC. Moving on, for the memory stick I got G.Skill Ripjaw 32GB of dual channel memory stick. For the storage I got 256GB of inline SSD from Micro Center. Talking about the processor, I got the 10th generation Intel Core i5-10400. And last but not least, I got the MSI H510MA Pro for the motherboard. This motherboard is not for gamers, but it is a perfect motherboard for everybody else. It supports 2 RAM sticks, 1 PCI slot for the GPU, which we don't need it in this case because we are going to use the onboard graphic with the processor, and also comes with additional PCIe slot which you can use it for Wi-Fi card or anything else that you like. If you're interested in this motherboard and want to know more about it, or you want to know other motherboard alternatives, check out my channel or the link above. Moving on, if you don't want this Intel Core i5 because it is too powerful or it is too expensive for you or your parents or anybody that is using the PC, you can simply downgrade to Intel Core i3, which you can find a video of that in my channel. As previously mentioned, since the person using this PC is not gamer or not doing any video rendering, this Intel Core i5 has onboard Intel UHD graphic, which is more than enough for everyday use, and we don't need a GPU anymore. Okay, that's enough talking, let's go ahead and see the assembly, and I'll talk a little more at the end of the video. At the end, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Other than this, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.